Hi everyone, my name is Jane and this is Loopy Mabel's Closet. In today's video I'm going to show you my latest PDF storage solution, and also if you stick around to the end of the video I have a lovely discount code for you too. So I shall see you after my little intro. Obviously, if you're new to Loopy Mabel's Closet, you're very welcome. And if you haven't already subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it does really make my day. And thank you already to my subscribers. So before I start, what am I wearing today? Well, I am wearing the In the Falls, in conjunction with the Peppermint magazine, the Ruffle Sleeve top. I made this maybe 6 weeks ago now, and it's made out of my nana's old bark cloth curtains, which must be at least 50 years old, and absolutely love it. And every time I wear it I just think of my nana, God bless her. And I've just got it lined with some just some quilting cotton for the facing, and I've got little pockets, but I don't think you can see the pockets. I've got little pockets in that I have lined too with the same quilting cotton, so it's got pockets. So back to today's video. So I don't know whether you saw one of my previous videos where I showed you how I store my PDF patterns in envelopes. I'll just quickly show you. So this is how I've always stored my PDF patterns, in a simple A4 size white envelope, and then I just used to stick the details of the pattern on the outside and then pop all my pattern pieces inside, and then I know they're fairly, and I know then they're all safe. So yes, so fairly good, you know, they've lasted me quite a while, but the more you open them and take the patterns out, the more ripped they've become, and they're getting a little bit dog-eared. And if you're anything like me, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, and that's starting to annoy me already because I like everything to be just so and neat and tidy. So I was a little bit concerned, thinking, oh, they're not going to last very long, especially when I'm like doing a lot of dressmaking, as I am lately. So I was a little bit worried, but funnily enough, I came across these amazing pattern storage envelopes from a brilliant UK company called Pattern Trace. And a little bit about Pattern Trace: they started off with Swedish tracing paper, and that's how they started the company off, and then from there they have grown in popularity and size, and they've got all sorts on their website now. So I came across these, and I just spoke to the company and said, is it possible for me to do a vlog on them? Would you mind? And they said no, that'd be absolutely amazing. And they sent me a pack for, you know, donated me a pack. How lovely was that, for me to vlog about them? And they're absolutely brilliant. I've already used 2 of them. And I've just finished recently doing the Tilly and the Buttons indigo dress, and there's the envelope. So I've stuck it's like a scaled down picture of the Tilly and the Buttons image, so I know what it is. And then in the top part you get a section where you can put the title and anything else that the pattern is called. Then obviously your artwork goes in that section, so if you're really clever, I suppose you could draw the pattern, but I'm not. So I've just scaled it down, printed it off, and stuck that to the front. And then there's another section for your notes at the bottom, which I'm going to put, because I made mine and I think I shortened mine by 4 inches. So I'm just going to add that note to the bottom. So if I do make it again, it will remind me of what I did on the first make. And they are so sturdy. The A4, a little bit bigger than A4 size, and that's in a lovely like buff colour card, not quite paper, not quite, well, I'd say the virgin on card, and they've got like a gusset at the side, so they start off flat, but then as you put your patterns in, the gusset opens up so you've got loads of room. So there's not going to be any tearing going on like my white one, because obviously it's just a thin A4 envelope, so every time you open it up it's going to, you know, get torn like this one has. And it's also got like a sticky peel off fastener, which I'm probably not going to use because I'm not going to obviously close it down. And then obviously you can tuck it in if you wanted. You could tuck the flap in. And how amazing are they? And I'm going to put all my patterns in mine in, so I just think they're absolutely brilliant. So this is just a quick video really if you are struggling on what to do with your downloaded patterns, and maybe they're all a little bit dog-eared, or you've got them in bags, or the slip sliding all over in your sewing room or what have you. And these are just absolutely brilliant. Put all your pieces in, they're going to be safe and sound. I'll show you the size of, like, there's the instructions, so that's A4. I'll just show you the size. So there's the A4. So there's plenty of room either side and top and bottom. So when you're putting your patterns in, there's loads of room. I just think they're brilliant. And these are not going to get dog-eared, and I'm just going to have them stacked in my sewing basket. Just show you, I've got another one that I just haven't put the artwork on yet. I'm just making another one by Sew Me Something, the Amelia dress. So I haven't put the artwork on that yet, and I haven't actually made it yet. It's all cut out, ready to go. But all my pattern pieces are in there, and just stack them all together, and then they're going to go in my sewing box. So this is how I am now going to start storing my PDF patterns. And I just thought, if you were looking for a solution, why not give these a try? They are from Pattern Trace, and I think the website is patterntrace.com, but I'll put all the details in the box below. And they've also kindly given me a lovely discount code for you, no matter where you are in the world, to pop in your checkout cart if you do decide to buy them, and you'll get 10% off. And the discount code is LoopyMabel10. So if you just put that discount code in when you go to the basket or you check out on their site, you will automatically get 10% discount. And you don't have to be in the United Kingdom. This discount code is available worldwide. So I would highly recommend, if you are looking for a better storage solution for your PDF patterns, or your, not necessarily PDF patterns, just your sewing patterns, it just keeps them all neat and tidy, and they stand up really well. They're not flimsy. Just stand up. They're not flimsy at all. And you can get them in packs of 5 and I think packs of 10, and I absolutely love them. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. And you know, if you were looking for something, definitely recommend you having a look at these, patterntrace.com. And don't forget that lovely discount, LoopyMabel10. So I'm really interested, have you tried these envelopes, and how do you store your patterns? So I'll be interested to know, and please share in the box below what you do too. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me that lovely thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed and you like my videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell, and then you'll be notified whenever I do bring out my videos. And also thank you so much if you wanted to buy me a coffee towards my channel and help me towards buying equipment for my channel and what have you, and thank you so much. And you just need to go over to my ko-fi.com account. The link will be in the box below too, but there's absolutely no pressure at all because I love what I'm doing anyway. I'm off to do some more sewing because, as my promise is to make 7 items in this month, the month of October. So I've made one thing, got another thing cut out. It's already, is it the 9th of October today? I had better get my socks on. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. As I always say, please take care and happy sewing.